my god.
Easy choreo MV as well. Oh my god, Pacemaker, by the way. Bro, Pacemaker enthusiasts, rise up.
Exactly.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, and Ruda, thank you so much for the super chat. It's been a while since I spent mine with you. The other day, we got another beautifully cringy song from Skiz. I recommend that you watch the illustrated MV for that song.
Looking forward to that.
Thank you so much, Ruda.
I've actually already heard the song as well.
Oh, which one?
No,
illustrated MV.
We're talking about. No, we are talking about thing.
Oh, the Skiz Vintage one.
Yeah,
right?
I'm pretty sure we are talking about that. Yeah. The one Bank Chat wrote. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yes, guys, it's Pacemaker. Dude, if you guys have seen our, top 10, our top 5s that we keep each other,
Well,
Pacemaker was there.
now, by the way.
It's
They've
crazy because they
changed.
keep switching as well. But
Yeah.
it's crazy. But Pacemaker will always be at that spot for me because Pacemaker was just unreal, man. My goodness.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess it wasn't really in any order as well, but Pacemaker is just one that stuck out to me when we watched
I hear you.
in life. But
And
man, woo!
All right, let's
I'm
get
so
started,
excited.
man. Yo, welcome, Pamita, as well. It's so good. Thank you so much for
Thank you
joining.
so much, Pamita.
Oh,
Hope you
man,
had a
yo.
wonderful day.
Maybe you guys. Wait, they don't have a performance vid for Pacemaker, do they?
I don't think they have a.
If it's live, we can't watch that sadly. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That one will get smacked.
That one would get each.
Yep. Oh, and guys, yes, I see a lot of you people say I see a lot of you guys saying react to like Enhypen and all of that as well.
Oh yeah.
So we will be doing all of that on the extra channel.
Yes.
So let's see. Let's give that a quick refresh. Oh my god, 43
So
people.
Stray Kids stuff will still stay on this channel, of course.
Yeah.
But the thing is, because we're doing so many other things as well, it would be great to have K-pop related content on, just a K-pop.
So you know what you're gonna
dedicated
get on that channel.
Yeah, exactly.
So people who are here for Stray Kids, you get Stray Kids here.
Yeah.
But when you sign up for the boys,
All that stuff.
because I know we're gonna have the boys guide coming
We're gonna
up
be doing
soon.
the guide too as well. Very soon.
That will all go over there. Yeah,
Oh, it's a paid content.
Oh, yeah, no.
No, we
Guys,
can't do that.
We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
It's the same reason we haven't seen the episode 0 performance yet for Kingdom, which we don't know anything about that yet. But
Yeah. No spoilers. No spoilers.
yeah. So we haven't seen that yet, but I know that's gonna come out like when Kingdom's going to start airing in April. So
bro,
that's gonna
who
be
is
great
excited
to
for Kingdom?
see.
Kingdom is gonna
hype,
be mad.
guys! Rise up
Gonna
for
be
the
mad.
Stray Kids hype!
Oh,
Let's
God.
go.
Oh,
man,
okay.
oh, man.
Thank you.
We're not supposed to have seen that. That's amazing.
Oh god. All right, yo.
Anthony
let's
Ratchet
get
hello. Thank you so much for
started.
joining us.
100%. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Let's go.
Now.
Look, the bass here, bro.
Yeah, Pacemaker, bro.
Bro, I know the song just by heart, man.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Look at this. You see, this backing track will stay the same throughout the entire.
Yeah. I love the pops in Pacemaker as well. Haha. Oh my. It's Jackie, I hate you.
I hear you, Jackie.
Oh my god.
Bad chat with the chorus intro. I think it's gonna be Jongin next time.
Bro, they weren't kidding when they said every song in this album could be a talent.
I know, man.
What? Only the fans saying.
I would love to see a live in this, bro.
Yeah, 100%, man.
I forgot how good the song is. Yo, exactly. That's how many bangers they released.
Yeah, literally.
That was great, isn't it? Here we go. Look, are you hearing the instrumentals, by the way? It's still the same as the intro.
Yeah.
Love it. And now, yo, here comes Baby Bird with the intro. Watch this.
All right.
Here we go.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
See, we feel you. We
And
feel you.
don't worry about that. Bro, and the breakdown here, bro. My goodness. Jisung's guy, that was great.
Oh my god.
Something's hair there, by the way.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Here we go. Song is so underrated. I definitely have to agree.
100%, man.
The thing is, Go Live comes with so many bangers that you have to give attention to everything, right? But it's not easy to, like, you know. Oh, dude.
What a banger, what a banger. And we got Phobia coming up next,
Yeah,
right?
bro.
Oh my god.
It's just gonna hit us one after another.
All right.
Guys,
Okay.
hope you enjoyed that, man. My goodness.
I'm sure. Oh, we've got Airplane. Is it Airplane next? Or
I think Phobia is after this.
Oh,
wait.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
one after.
okay.
It's another day, and then we
I
got.
did not know that. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, blue, pink head Chan.
Yeah, what a mood.
That
what
is
a
great,
mood.
man.
Oh my god.
The album straight. Yo, it
Nah,
really
no
is-
skips, no skips at all. I mean, Stray Kids never have skips, to be fair.
Yeah,
I listen to WoW anyway. I mean, you know, Three Rock
Wow. Yeah, of course. That's a banger. That's a banger, bro. Let's go.
Oh my god. All right.
JYP building version. Wait, for Airplane. Oh.
Interesting.
Okay.
It's building bar. There's a fan-made MV.
I love
Interesting.
Airplane as well. Let's go. Yeah, let's
I mean,
check out.
I want to stay away from fan-made ones.
Oh yeah, if it's fan made, yeah.
Because
just
you
in
wanna
case,
ask for
but Let's
permission
just see what it
first.
is. Yeah. But we can check what it
Stray
is.
Kids.
Oh, it's a self-made MV. Oh, it's their self-made MV.
No way. That's what I looked for. These Stray Kids Airplane. Oh, wait, hold on. But this is by.
But it's by No Name. JYP official. I mean, anyone can put that on there. I
Yeah,
guess.
that's true. 1 point. What?
No, edited by Sungmin and Stray Kids. That's the one, man. I think it's.
Yeah, but like, Stray Kids. On a V Live. Okay, yeah, we can't watch V Live stuff.
Oh yeah,
that's the only-
that will get like
because it's a full-on video, right? It will get
while we watch
boomed.
this stream, that actually might get taken down
Yeah,
midway
yeah.
stream. That's
So
the thing.
we need to be really careful about V Live
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
Yeah, they get whacked.
Yeah, but we'd
straight
love
up
to
whacked.
watch this though. It'd be
Yeah,
great.
yeah. I mean, these are kind of things we'll just watch on our own.
Yeah, then
time,
the
yeah.
VLive and ask people to edit it. Ah, okay, I get it. So they did it on a VLive.
Yeah. Okay, like even
Yeah.
minute. Oh, right. Yeah.
The only problem with this on a
sadly,
VLive,
we can't-
thing is, the copyright's so weird for that kind of stuff that this stream might get taken down after we watch it mid-stream.
Yeah.
Like while we're streaming, it might just get blocked.
Yeah,
so it's crazy.
Gonna have to stay away from that kind of stuff,
Unfortunately.
And
Ebru,
thank you so much for becoming a member.
member.
Thanks so much.
We appreciate
really
it so
do
much.
appreciate it. Oh my god.
But I gotta say though, that's amazing how they asked for fans to edit it. And
Yeah.
we went and did
Yeah.
it. Stays go in and did it. That's amazing, bro.
Yeah, no,
that's
that,
great.
that
That's
is cool.
great.
That is cool. Yeah, I'm thinking. So if fans edited it and it's on YouTube.
Yeah. What? Oh yeah, because it's on YouTube.
Yeah.
But it's still VLive stuff.
No,
though.
it
That's
is still
the thing.
V-Live, yeah.
And
we don't want to take a risk.
Yeah. It was crazy as well because the latest Stray Kids video that we uploaded, I actually had to cut some bit. It was
V-Live.
It was the part where, if you guys have seen our latest reaction, it was the part where Jisung pretends to trim Minho's hair.
Oh,
with
yeah,
the phone.
yeah.
That part literally, it's still in the original video that
Yeah.
we watched, but it got hit for us.
Yeah.
I was like, copyright's so
it's
weird.
so
man.
booky, it's so
So I had to
booky,
cut
yeah.
out completely. I just left like one frame in there so you guys know what you're
What's
talking
safe
about.
for some people
Yeah.
isn't safe for other
Yeah,
people.
that's the
Like
thing.
what's safe for that original meme video wasn't safe for us.
Yeah. I mean, the thing is, because Stray Kids asked fans to edit it, you know, they JYP would have actually been like, oh yeah, you know, this is what Stray Kids let happen.
Maybe back then.
Maybe back then.
But
So that's
now-
why that's fine. That's why
Yeah.
that video's okay.
Now it's
But,
GG.
Yeah, VLive coming
All right.
after us. Yeah.
Exactly. It's a shame what the copyright
copyright
situation,
can
but
be
it
just
is what it
weird,
is. Yeah,
yeah.
it's really weird.
But yeah,
Right,
are you ready
3,
to fly high?
2,
Let's go, Airplane.
1, go.
Yo, love that. Oh, thank you, Ebru, so much for that. I love your Stray Kids content.
Oh,
Really
thank
appreciate
you.
your work.
Love back
I'm from Turkey.
London.
Oh, I actually
Appreciate
visited
you.
Turkey in 2019 summer. Like,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. It was a great place. I loved it. Let's go. It is a vibe song.
It is. It really is.
Look at the
Yeah.
pace, man.
Yeah.
Love it, man.
Yeah, this is such a smiling song, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Phobia. Absolutely.
I love this part.
That's great, man. I love it, love it.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Bro, Chad with the... Yo, I've got to say, man, Minho in this album as well, he's sounding a lot like Chan in his lyrics.
okay.
It's so fun to hear. Because any hotel in Turkey, let me know. Oh snap! Yo, I visited Antalya. I visited.
Yeah.
I think it was Antalya.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah. How can you forget?
It's been a while.
Oh, bro, the dude. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Minho's singing voice is so cute.
It
Yo,
is,
it's
it
amazing. Honestly, it's amazing. Oh, I love that. I love Minho's voice. Seriously. Gee, I saw that, bro.
Yeah. Oh,
What a bop of a song,
feel
man,
good song,
honestly.
man. What a feel good
What
song.
a bop of a song, honestly.
My
Next
gosh.
time I'm in a flight, bro, definitely gonna have to play this song.
100%, man. Oh my. Well, who's going on flights anytime soon, man?
True. It's very true.
Oh god. Alright, now we have Another Day.
Yeah, Another Day, bro. Oh my god. What song? This is an amazing song. This is a bop. Thing is, again, like we said, every single song in Go Live is a bop.
It's a banger. It's
a banger.
actually it's a banger. Yo, let's just get started.
And no worries,
man.
Erica. We have only seen. I think we're only like 4 songs in. I think or 5 songs in.
Oh,
Something like
let's
that.
have a look.
Yeah, 5 songs in. So,
six.
Oh,
We're
6
number-
if you
we're
include.
number
Oh,
six,
we're on
yeah.
number 6. But if
Yeah.
you include the one that wasn't in the playlist, which was
Oh, yeah,
the extra
yeah.
Go Live one, but it wasn't. Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Another Day. This is actually a short song.
Oh yeah. Oh, the guitar here, man.
I love the guitar, man. Oh, it was a bit.
Yeah, it's the next part. One more
One
line. Made by Han.
Oh,
Yeah.
Han did this. Oh, wow.
G-Song.
The strums are so clean. The guitar is so clean here, man. Love it.
Acoustic cover of Another Day when. Oh, cheeky. Bro, I love the guitar for this, man. You never know.
His voices are so soft.
Yeah,
Here. I
yeah.
love it. Hi.
I love that they left the guitar slides in there as well. Like, you know, when they're moving
it
up
sounds
the
like a
prep
live
roll.
performance, almost, isn't it?
Yep.
Still waiting for the song to come out.
Oh, bro.
Let me close my eyes for a while. Yo, you can actually fall asleep to this.
You
Oh,
can.
look at this.
On cue.
On cue, yeah. Felix is like ASMR voice.
경은 날카롭고 하는 말은 비수 이 모든 일의 실증 어두운 방 안을 비집고 들어갔던 날또 누구 한
This is very ASMR as
Yeah,
well.
it is,
My
it
gosh.
is, it is.
힘겹게 겨우 하루 보냈었던 오늘 난 몇 번 웃었나 그게 과연 진심이었을까
Ruda, isn't your birthday in July? I mean, it's only 4 months away, to be honest.
어린애가 걱정도 그저 할 일이나 똑바로 해
Well, yeah, I do know her. The guitarist did the guitar for Another
Are
Day.
you?
Oh, wow. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Oh, my God.
줄만
Damn.
모습이 난
Yeah, it's sick.
I did not know that though.
Spell I cup. I actually know that.
It is a lullaby song, yep.
Can't spoil this while playing guitar.
Oh, Edward, thank you so much for sticking around all the same. We appreciate it big time.
We honestly appreciate it. And we'll be welcoming you, Natalia. Thank you so much. Honestly, we appreciate the hospitality.
Thank you. And thank you for signing up as a member as well.
Yes,
we seriously
honestly
appreciate it. Oh,
dude, that's so quick, man.
What a
What
banger.
an amazing song. Yeah,
Love it.
it's as short as Slumpish, because
Yeah.
Slumpish? Yes, short-ish as Slump, I should say. But yeah, Slump is only around like 2 minutes 40, 2 minutes 50,
Yeah,
something like that.
yeah.
Yeah, and it's shorter than 3 minutes. Oh man.